This is Building Science at LP SmartSide. We've seen the process and we've heard about the science and chemistry of each step, but now we hear the why. Their daily testing and constant supervision of each step of the process is paramount to their success.
I still get excited about the process because while it's not overly complex, the components of the product have to go together in a certain way. And that's what drives the quality of the product, is that we consistently put the product together the same way every shift, every press load. The overriding control of that, though, is our quality department. They ride over the entire process from log to the shipment.
Our quality control techs are taking samples off of our line every 4 hours. They run all the tests that they're required to do. If any of those tests come out of spec, they have to go back and quarantine the previous 4 hours worth of product, and then they go back and retest certain sections of that product and make sure that everything was within spec.
The backbone of the siding product is the thousands of strands of wood, and their understanding and control of the strand geometry is vital to its durability. So the quality control is not just at the very end of the process where you just look at it and you say, yeah, that looks pretty good. It's all the way through, and you're in charge of that.
Yes, we are. We have line techs that are on 24 hours a day that are constantly checking this. They're throwing these flakes into we call them a shaker. That shaker will sift out and give us a percentage of fines, which would be at the very bottom, to our overs, which would be at the very top. We measure what's in between there, and it gives us an idea of what sort of knives we need to run in our wheel.
If this plant is running, they are running tests. Anything from internal bond to flexural testing.
We do a few different tests. You know, we'll pull our board apart. We measure the PSI that it takes to break that board. Technology has been great to us over the years. Everything's pretty modern, but we also have the human factor in there. So we're always checking just to make sure that we're doing what we say we're doing.
From a technology standpoint, the biggest advancement that's been made in our facility has really been in the area of controls, and that's process control. It's been completely computerized, and it's all data-driven now. Our press operators are using very sophisticated control technology to make sure that we make the product consistently, we form the product consistently, we press the product consistently. So, the big advancement in our quality program is really about because of our ability to control the process, and that's really been a technology-driven control.
This plant manufactures a product to very specific parameters, to very precise specifications. And we've run them through very rigorous exposure tests in the worst climates, through very aggressive cyclic wetting and drying cycles. So we've looked at our products in the worst case and evaluated them over a number of years to determine that we have the right design, that we have engineered the product to a robust enough level. Regardless of any climate, the product is going to perform. And that's the basis of our warranty. It is truly based purely on scientific data.
LP SmartSide has engineered a durable and long-lasting siding product. But more importantly, they built their process around their own ingenuity. It's this scientific approach to their product that has catapulted them to an industry-leading manufacturer. For Building Science, I'm Adam Grubb.